Hey, what's up guys, welcome to FindGap YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create this type of bottom navigation in Android Studio. We have created 3 items in our bottom navigation, and when you will click on those items, a new fragment will come in the front of you. So guys, video is going to be more important, and please before start I request you to subscribe our YouTube channel to stay up to date with latest programming videos. Let's start. So here is our Android Studio. We will create a new project by clicking on new project, and you have to select MPT activity, click on next button, and here we have to give the name like bottom navigation. So make sure you selected Kotlin from here and press the finish button. By doing this, Android Studio will create a new project for you. Now you have to click on this Gradle script and build.gradle module level file, and guys, here you have to make sure that you have this dependency in your dependency section. So in my case it is already added, but if it is not available to your Android Studio, make sure to download it from Google. Next you have to click on this resource folder and values, themes and theme.xml, and we have to change this from dark action bar to no action bar. Now you have to right click on resource folder and new Android resource directory, and from here you have to select the menu, and here you can see that it is automatically type directory name, and we have to press on OK button. And now you have to right click on the menu, new menu resource file, and give name menu and press OK button. Click on the split to see its code, and guys, here we have to guys, first of all we have to create icon for our bottom navigation. To create icons, you have to right click on the drawable folder, new vector asset, and guys, one thing I want to tell you that in my case my Android Studio is creating a little bit error. When I click on this icon, it is not open my icon library, but you can create different type of icons, but I'm going to choose the Android icon for my 3 bottom buttons. So I'm going to name this IC_Android and press next and finish button. So here you can see that I have created the IC_icon. Again, go to menu.xml, and here we have to type for item ID would be IC_dashboard, and here you have to type Android:title dashboard, and Android:icon is @drawable IC_Android. So we have created 1 item. You have to create 2 more items. So guys, you can see that I have created 3 items with different IDs and different name, but the same icon. Guys, now you have to open your main activity_main, and here in the split section I'm going to remove this text view, and you have to type here com and bottom navigation view. Its width would be match parent and height would be wrap content. So here you can see that a bottom navigation have been created, and I'm going to constrain it to the parent of the bottom, and constraint right, constraint left. Here we have to type app:menu is equal to menu. So this is the menu we have created, and you can see that our icons have been appeared to our bottom navigation. And now guys, we have to type here Android:background. So this property will create a background color for your bottom navigation, because I want to choose a white background color. That's why I will type here white background color code means FFF. You can see here. Next you have to type here app item icon tit is equal to, suppose guys, this is asking for the color of our this icons, because I have give white, so it have been white our icons. If I will choose red color, you can see that our icon color have been changed, but I want to choose a black color for my icons. Whichever color you will give here, that color will be given to your icons. Guys, at last we have to type one more property, is app item text color. So I also want to choose here black color, but if you will choose another color, suppose yellow, so it will change the color of your these text dashboard setting, etc. So guys, that's it. Our bottom navigation have been created. Now we have to create a container for our fragments. For container we will type here frame layout, and its width would be match parent and height would be 0dp /. So you can see that this is our frame layout. So I'm going to drag it to the top of our bottom navigation and drag it to the top of our parent. Constraint right and constraint left. Make sure to give an ID to our frame layout. ID is equal to ID frame layout. So that's it. Now we will create 3 fragments to show on our frame layout. To create a fragment, you have to right click on Java, new fragment, and black fragment. Here I'm going to type here dashboard fragment. Press on finish button. I will create 2 fragment more. So guys, you can see that here I have been created 3 fragments. Now we will design the front end of our fragment. So guys, here you can see that I have designed my fragment dashboard. I just set a blue background, and here I just a simple text dashboard fragment. I will create the remaining 2 fragments. I will design the remaining 2 fragments as it is. So I just have to copy the code and paste it to my other fragments. So guys, you can see that I have designed my 3 fragments with different background colors. Now we will close our all the files, and we have to open main activity.kotlin, and here I have to type private val dashboard fragment is equal to dashboard fragment, private val settings fragment is equal to settings fragment, private val info fragment is equal to info fragment. That's it. Now I have to create a function outside to our own create method to replace the fragment. So I will type here private fun replace fragment colon fragment and braces if fragment not is equal to null. Then we have to type here val transaction is equal to fragment support fragment manager dot begin transaction, and transaction dot replace r dot id dot frame layout. So this was our container that we have created to our activity underscore main, and here we have to type pass this fragment. At last you have to type transaction dot commit. So we have created a function to replace our fragment, and now inside our own create method you have to type here you have to call the replace fragment function that we have created, and inside this we have to pass dashboard fragment, I means this one. So let me run the app so I can show you the output, but our code is not completed. So I will select Pixel 4 API 30 emulator and press the run button. So guys, here you can see that our app have been run, and this is by default the fragment the dashboard fragment have been open to our frame layout. So we have to black these text. First of all, to black them we have to open our main activity and to type here black color code 000. That's it. Okay guys, now we have to type here val bottom navigation view is equal to find view by id bottom navigation view r dot id dot bottom navigation, and below our replace fragment function we have to type bottom navigation dot set on item selected listener when it dot item id, and here we have to type r dot id dot ic dashboard replace fragment dashboard fragment, and here we have to pass true. Copy this line and paste it and type here settings fragment, again paste it and type here info fragment, and here we have to type ic settings and ic info. So that's it, our code have been completed. Now just let me run the app so I can show you the output. So guys, here you can see that our app have been run successfully, and when I will click on setting fragment it is displaying me setting fragment and same as well info button. So guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope you learned a lot in this video, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date by this type of amazing videos, and share this video with your those friends who want to learn Android apps development. And finally, thanks for watching.